There are actually two ways to sew, with foot pedal versus start-stop button. First, I turn on the machine and select the sewing program. Now I connect the foot pedal to the side port. The sewing machine only works if the presser foot is done. When I press the pedal, the machine starts sewing. But there is another way to use this machine. Now I remove the foot pedal and switch to the start-stop button. Here you can adjust the sewing speed. Without the foot pedal, I usually set the speed to medium or low. For example, when I sew long straps or dress ties, I prefer using the start-stop button. It's just easier.